Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you my everyday makeup look, and before that I forgot to welcome you to my first vlog. Ayun. So this vlog is going to be about my everyday makeup look, as I've said a while ago. So yun, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko gawin yung makeup ko na lagi kong sinusuot kapag pumupunta ako sa labas, nagtatrabaho, and whenever I do my errands. Ayun. So, ayun. So, let's start. Okay, ayusin ng headband, ayusin ng hair, para walang nakasagaban. Okay. Ang unang ginagawa ko is I put my serum. Ito. This is from the Glow Glass. Go Glass. This is recommended for nighttime, pero pwede rin siyang gamitin during daytime or any time of the day kapag feel mong maglagay ng serum. Ayan. So, let's just spread it all over. Okay, that we just spread it all over my face. Ayan, tapos tap lang. My face feels so relaxed. O, diba? May instant glow na agad yung face. Kaya, I really love this one. Ayan siya. The Go Glass. Okay? Next that I do is I put my foundation. It's from Maybelline Matte Poreless. And it says, Fit Me Foundation Normal to, from normal to oily. And this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Ayan. Because my skin tone is warm, so kaya I choose the 128 shade in Warm Nude. Pero before, gumamit ako ng mas light. Maganda rin naman yung light. Pero na-feel ko na sobrang puti tignan. Humihiwalay na sa kulay ng neck ko. So I choose this shade. And I really love it. Ayan, lagay lang ng konti. So, I am applying it, spreading it all over my face, pataas. Ayan. Super easy ng makeup na ito. Ng everyday makeup look na ito. You can do it by yourself then. Okay, let's add more. Let's spread. This makeup look is not going to consume all of your time sa pag-makeup. Sobrang easy lang dito. And sobrang konting time lang ang kailangan. Okay? So, just continue spreading until you achieve the coverage that you want. Then next, I am going to apply this eyebrow pomade from, okay, nakalagay Project Vanity. It's from Elana. Okay. I chose this eyebrow pomade kasi cruelty-free siya. And it's light-proof eyebrow pomade. And then, sabi dito, ayun nga, from Elana Mineral Cosmetics, and perfect bloom brows are just a few swipes away thanks to this Miracle Pomade. Ayun, Miracle Pomade din. Pomade daw siya. Okay, let's apply. Konti lang. I just want to look, or I just want my eyebrows to look natural. Kaya, konti lang aking ilalagay. So, yan. I just applied little. Then next, sa left eyebrow naman tayo. OMG, this is my first vlog. That's why I feel very nervous. Kung maririnig nyo sa voice ko, and nakikita nyo sa facial expressions ko and sa gestures ko. Kinakabahan talaga. Ayan. So, this is now the look of my eyebrows. Okay? Ayan. Nagkaroon na siya ng tint ng kulay. So, okay na ako dyan. And the next one, I am going to use Ares Matte Tint from Ares and in the shade Harmonia. I'm going to apply little on my eyelids. The next one. And then spread it. And I'm just going to use my mirror para mabigst. And then add it all. And then add it. And then that's it. And then after that, I am going to use my mascara. This mascara was given to me by my friend from Saudi, and it says Wonderful Mascara by Rimmel. Ayan, Rimmel London. So let me just put mascara on my eyelids. And then I'm going to put a little mascara on my lower eyelids. Ang hirap ito, besh. Hindi. Just kidding. Sobrang dali lang ito, okay? And then after this one, I am going to put blush on my cheeks. Okay. Hindi ako makakaalis ng walang sorry sa lips ko. Natirang lip tint yan na nilagay. Sobrang ganda ng Ares lip and cheek tints. Kaya nag-stay talaga yung tint niya sa lips. Ayan, sobrang long-lasting. And this is my blush on. Look how cute it is. Ang cute, diba? From my blush on from Blush Babe and in the shade Cherry Blush. Okay. So, maglagay lang tayo ng 3 dots. And then spread. And the next one, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, para I love you. 3 dots para it means I love you. Okay, and then just try putting it little here. Just try putting little or spreading the blush here. Okay. So, ayan. So, nakita nyo naman, meron na siya. Pero if you want to add more, you can. I added 2 dots. And then another here. 1, 2. And then try spreading it again on my nose para drop blush or para kang kilig-kilig. And then sa chin. Okay? And after that, I am going to put my highlighter. Okay, my highlighter is from Vice Cosmetics and in the shade Shimmering. Okay, it says here smooth, vibrant, and buildable. I've been using this for a couple of weeks na and I am really satisfied with it. Especially, napakamura niya. I only bought it from Watson's for only 145 pesos. And so, after I put on the apple of my cheeks, I am going to put highlighter in the tip of my nose. Ayan. And then here, on my forehead. And then under my brows. little. Para ma-highlight yung feature ng face. And then fix it using my hand. And then here. And last. So after I put my makeup on my face, I am going to apply my favorite matte ink and lip and cheek tint, of course, from Ares. Okay, you will see now. First, I am going to apply yung kaninang ginamit ko sa eyelids ko, Harmonia. See, the shade Harmonia. Ay, sorry, mali pala yung na-flash ko sa o yung napakita ko sa screen. This is the shade Harmonia. Okay? See? See how beautiful its shade is. Ayan, ang ganda ng shade niya. Parang, it looks very natural, diba? Okay, so after apply my matte ink, usually, pwede mo naman gamitin ito kahit wala ka nang nilalagay ng ibang kulay. Pero sa akin, kasi, I want to add little color pa. So, I am going to use the Ares Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade, can you see it? Art Mist. Okay? So, let's add a little dito sa gitna ng lips. And then, on my upper lip. And then, apply it all over. So, ayun. And that's it. This is my everyday makeup look. Ayos tayo. Let me just fix my hair and apply clips on it. Apply and put clips on it, rather. Apply na yung nagamit ko. Ginawa kong makeup yung hair clips, no? So, halata talagang kinakabahan ako. Anyway, this is my first time to do a vlog. So, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Ayan, and then, fix my hair. Fix my bangs, okay? Fix my bangs, and then, there it is. This is my everyday makeup look. Ayan siya. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can do it by yourselves kasi napakadali lang naman ng video na pinakita ko sa inyo ng my everyday makeup look. Napakadali lang ito. Hello everyone ulit. Nagputol yung video kanina. So, ayun. I took the opportunity na para ayusin yung final look ko. So, this is my top. Pinalitan ko. Very Korean inspired. Ayan. And then, I put earrings on my ears. Pearl earrings. Gustong-gusto ko ng pearl earrings. And then, inayos ko lang yung bangs ko. Ayan. And then, I put my hair pins dito sa kabilaan. Ayan. So, this is my everyday makeup look. So, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you. Bye!